Like driving on the SB Express lanes on I-10, installation of the FasTrak sticker transponder is fast and easy. If you've set up your FasTrak account with the SB Express lanes, you may notice your sticker transponder reads thetollroads.com. This is because the Toll Roads is the SB Express lanes account and payment processing partner. Whether you have a sticker or switchable transponder, all FasTrak responders from any California toll agency can be used to pay tolls on any tolled bridge, lanes, and road throughout California. First, clean and dry the inner surface of the windshield where the sticker transponder will be placed. Place the sticker transponder inside the lower left-hand corner, inside the lower right-hand corner, or inside behind the rearview mirror under the tinted portion of the glass. Consider the visual aesthetics from inside and outside the vehicle when choosing the location. Once you select your location, carefully peel the sticker transponder from the backing and avoid touching the adhesive. Ensure that the sticker is smooth and flat against the glass. Never try to move or adjust the sticker transponder once it has been installed. It will break and become unusable. This new technology requires that the sticker be affixed to the inside of the windshield in order for the transponder to read. So, placing the sticker on the dashboard or in your glove box will not ensure a proper read when driving through a toll point. If you currently have a switchable hard case transponder, also known as FasTrak Flex, and plan to indicate the number of people in your vehicle, you should keep your switchable transponder mounted. With both transponders on your windshield, the system will only read the switchable hard case transponder. Check out the SB Express lanes on the I-10 today. For additional information about the SB Express lanes on I-10, visit sbexpresslanes.com.